Hi guys, I'm back with another Nykaa haul. So if you want to watch that, please stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and those of you who are watching me for the first time, my name is Tanvi and I make videos about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So guys, I'm back with another haul, and you guys love watching my hauls and you asked me to make another one for you. So here I am filming a video for you guys. So all the items I bought before the lockdown, and in my previous video also I said that I already made a Nykaa haul, and there were so many items and I didn't wanted to make one long video, so I decided to divide the video in two parts. And if you have not watched my first part, then go ahead and check out that haul. I will add the link in the description or the link here. So here I am making another video for you guys. So let's begin by showing you the first item. My first item of this haul is this concealer. It's LA Girls concealer. So I believe every girl who is into makeup must be owning this particular concealer. Like, it's absolutely and pure love. Like, this is so good that I cannot begin to explain it to you guys. Like, I absolutely love this concealer. Let me show you guys. See. So it blends into your skin so beautifully. See how beautifully it gets observed in the skin, and it feels like a second skin. Like it doesn't feel cakey at all. It's full coverage and it gives a very fine finish. So yeah, you can see, like, so it covers my dark circles very beautifully. Like, you can apply this concealer wherever you have, like, you feel that you have dark spots, or you feel that there are like patches or something on your skin, then you can definitely apply this concealer there. Like, it's extremely lightweight. So my shade is pure beige. So I absolutely love this concealer. Like, you guys must have guessed by now. So, like, the best thing about this concealer is that it comes with so many shades to choose from that it sometimes get difficult. But I absolutely love the fact that there are so many shades out there for this particular concealer. It's a beautiful dark stroke product, guys. If you are looking to buy a concealer, you guys can definitely check this out. Like, you will not be disappointed. Sorry, you guys will not be disappointed. The price is just 695 rupees. It's wonderful. So moving on to the next item of this Nykaa haul is this Makeup Revolution banana powder. Like, I'm using this powder for the first time, and it's truly is wonderful. Like, I absolutely fell in love with this product. I think it's the best powder which is available for baking, and it complements the Indian skin tone so beautifully. It gets blend with the Indian skin tone so beautifully. Like, it's truly very amazing. Oh yeah, this is the powder, guys, and if you are looking for a good powder, then you can definitely check it out. This powder has a little bit of tint to it, but yeah, it works beautifully. So with this powder, you don't have to like apply any extra compact or anything. I think it's one of the best drugstore products available, and the price is just 850 rupees. And in 850 rupees, you are getting this much product. Like, I mean, it's totally crazy. It's worth it. Like, you just need a little bit. I'm sorry for the disturbance, guys. Like, my son is playing in another room and he is making a lot of noise. I'm sorry for that. So guys, moving on to the next item of this haul is this Clinique like Clinique box. Sorry, it was like upside down. Can you guys see it? So, like, it's a small box with so many things. Guys, this is it. This is the combo. Like, it's surprisingly very good. Like, I didn't had high hopes from this particular product, but it's quite pigmented. See, wow, like seriously, like, definitely check this product out, guys. Like, it's a small combo kind of thing. So if you don't want to invest in so many things and you want to choose a palette kind of thing, then you can definitely check it out. So guys, moving on to the next item of this haul. Next item is this mascara. Like, if I'm doing a haul and I'm not doing a Maybelline product, then this is not it. Like, I need to add a Maybelline product in my, I don't know, like that product had amazing pigmentation. Like, I absolutely loved it. So this is the mascara. I don't think so I have to say anything about this product. Like I think every girl owns this mascara. Let me show you a bit. Oh, I love this mascara. Like, Maybelline makes amazing mascaras. Like, their products are really very amazing. So yeah, guys, like, this is a very affordable mascara. If you don't want to invest that much and you want to own a very amazing mascara, then you can definitely check out the Maybelline mascara. So guys, moving on to the next item, like, let's move on to the lip products. So I have 2 lip products for this video. Like, as I already said in one of the videos, like, I don't know why I have so many shades in particular this color, but I don't know why every time I shop I end up adding these colors in my cart. Like, I don't know why. Like, I have so many shades similar to this particular color that I don't know. I have done a makeup look and I have added this lip color in that particular look. So if you want to check out that video, I will add the link in the description box. So yeah, guys, the first product is this Faces Canada lipstick. Like, if you guys have already seen my previous Nykaa haul that I had already added 2 Faces products in that, like, I absolutely loved this brand. It's quite costly. It's a high-end luxurious brand, but still I feel like their products are truly amazing and I wanted to check a lipstick of theirs, so I bought this one. So the shade of this lipstick is Mulberry Magic 17. So this is the lipstick, guys. So yeah, I am wearing this lipstick on, I am wearing this shade on my lips right now. So let me do a swatch for you guys. Like, can you see how, like, please ignore this. It's a beautiful shade. I absolutely love it. Like, the formula, I absolutely love the shade. Like, the formula, it's truly very amazing. It's not drying, it's not matte. Like, after applying it and it dries down a bit, I don't feel the dryness on my lips. Like, it's truly amazing. I love this product. Like, it's highly pigmented and it stays for a long time, even after, like, I'm a lipstick eater. So, like, after I have my lunch, like, my lipstick is gone, but this one, it stays on. That is the best thing that happens to me because I eat my lipstick all the time. So guys, next lip product is this Maybelline one. So it's again upside down. I don't know why I do that. So it's a Maybelline Superstay lipstick. So let me do a swatch for you guys. It's such a beautiful shade, guys. Can you see, like, I bought the same shades again. Like, I don't know why I do it. Yeah, but I absolutely love this shade. Like, you will find, like, can you see, like, They are totally same. Now I'm seeing it, I'm realizing it. Like, so guys, again for this lipstick, like Maybelline is absolute love. Like I absolutely love their products, be it their foundation, concealers, lip products, or anything, mascaras, kajal. Like they make absolutely amazing products. So like, why will not I love their lipstick? It's super amazing. It's like the formula is also very nice. It's like very skin like. Once you apply it on your lips, that you will not feel anything is on there, and it doesn't smudge, it doesn't get transferred. That is the best thing, and it stays for quite a long time. That is another amazing thing about this lipstick. So guys, moving on from the lip products, like my next item are these nail paints. Like I went gaga and bought all these nail paints, and if you know me, then you know that I absolutely now love nail paints. So I thought, like, I never tried the Sugars one, so I thought, like, why not, I will buy this one and see like how this works, because I heard like their nail polishes are absolutely amazing. So yeah, so let me begin by showing you one by one. So my first color is like, it's a different, very jhantak kind of color. It's a 71 Mustard Memory. So I already have, like, see, the band is quite thick, consistency is quite good. Like I have used this nail paint and it's truly very amazing. I loved it. It dries down quite easily. Like you don't have to wait for a long time for it to dry down. I will use this nail paint in another one of my videos when I'm filming a video, so please bear with me and watch another one of my videos. So yeah guys, next like nail paint is this color. The color is Seal of Slate. So it's kind of a dark gray. So I have already applied it. You can see, like, it's so dark that it totally covered the nail paint which I was wearing below it. So see what a beautiful shade it is. Like I love this. I love their nail paints. They are really amazing. So the next shade is this one. Like it's Cream Come True 11. So yeah, let me swatch this one as well. Like I cannot resist or help myself. I absolutely love the applicator, like how thick it is. Let me show you. Hey guys, it's a mess. Little bit of a mess. But I think it's a bit light, so like my under the nail paint which I am wearing under is like showing a bit, but it's absolutely lovely color. So yeah, I love the nail paints and I'm thinking of buying more, because like they have got an absolutely amazing range of shades. Like they are truly. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you liked my video. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Follow my Instagram profile if you guys are not following me there already. My Instagram handler is tanvi.agarwal.562. Thank you so much guys. Bye. Take care. Have fun. Stay safe and we'll see you in my next one.